If something flies today, there is a 100% chance that our solutions have been involved into the design, the manufacturing, or the simulation of that project.
At Hybrid Air Vehicles, we're designing and building the world's most efficient large aircraft, an aeroplane that helps us rethink the skies and brings sustainability to the heart of what we're doing in aviation. Our vision is to unlock a future of zero emissions aviation and to create a better connected tomorrow. So what we're doing is bringing technologies and different propulsion systems together to get the best of lighter than air and the best of fixed wing technology to create aircraft that are more efficient than what we have today. Well, our vision to bring truly sustainable aircraft into the aviation world is one that's really connected with our partners in Dassault Systems and Trimac. We together, the tool sets and the processes and the digital enablers of our design world will help us unlock benefits for our customers and more sustainable delivery and operations in future aviation services.
Well, Dassault Systèmes' mission is to really help aerospace and defense companies unleash sustainable innovation. So the main reason why we wanted to participate in that project is that Hybrid Air Vehicle project is really a transformative innovation into sustainable aviation. In the future, sustainable aviation means decarbonated aviation. Hybrid Air Vehicle is one of the projects that intends to decarbonize aviation.
So part of our route to a zero emissions aircraft is to use hydrogen as a fuel. Previously, tools to help us do that design have not been available. But one of the key things with Dassault's 3D Experience platform is its transition to helping designers utilize and understand how to use hydrogen as a fuel for the future. Dassault and Trimac together provide us with a set of tools and the ability for us to engineer our future and see the future more clearly so that we make the right steps as we go. So for us, the 3D Experience platform, it has so many tools that help us in the different phases of what we need to do. So there are tools that help in the initial design, and they're traditional tools that many companies may have used in the past. But by putting all these tools together, it allows our design engineers to think about operation, think about maintenance, think about the sustainable approach to the whole operation of the aircraft, but to think about that at the early design phase.
I believe Trimac are in a very strong position to support this company. We're looking outside of the box of traditional aircrafts and supply chain that we look after to date, working with your traditional Airbus and Boeing aircraft programs. What we are doing is we're actually reinventing the wheel, and in reinventing the wheel, we're actually coming up with new ways of working within the platform. A lot of these companies have long-standing history of working with multitude of different products. What we're doing is actually working with them and actually innovating and working with the latest technology and trying to speed this up. So we're really looking at a good way forward and trying to change how people used to work to the new ways of working today. What is key for us is to actually be involved and be part of their team. It's very important for us to understand the aircraft programs, understand the delivery timescales. We're not just here to supply the software and the platform, the basis of that. We're actually going to be part of the key program right the way through requirements, project management, design phases, simulation, entering into manufacturing, and also the MRO side of things. So we're actually going to be embedded within the team of HAV. We're going to be supporting them along that journey, and we've got the key people and industry experience to be able to support that.
Aviation brings so many benefits to so many parts of the world. It unlocks economic opportunities, it connects people. I mean, I got into aviation because I was inspired as a child by being able to meet family and expand my horizons in other parts of the world. We want that for our children, we want that for our future, but it's hard to decarbonize this sector. It's also true that aviation at the moment serves airports, it serves places that have got lots of infrastructure. There are lots of parts of the world that aren't well connected yet. 8 out of 10 people around the world haven't got on an aeroplane before. So we want those benefits expanding to more people, and we want emissions out of aviation. That means thinking differently, And that's what we're doing by Rethinking the Skies with Airlander.
Hybrid Air Vehicle's mission is to bring to life the Airlander concept, which will be the largest zero emissions aircraft and the first aircraft that can do that, that's going to be available in the world. What we need to do though is to broaden it. Not just the aircraft needs to be zero emissions, but we need to do the whole production and operation in a sustainable way. And Dassault's package of tools to help us do that is what we see is going to be really powerful.
If something flies today, there is a 100% chance that our solutions have been involved into the design, the manufacturing, or the simulation of that project. So we are really vested into the future of aviation and, of course, toward a more sustainable future.